Hi, good afternoon. Just want to give you an update about this concrete footpath construction. So today I poured a small part of stormwater drainage channel. So which is from here to there. So and also I poured concrete on this boundary wall on Saturday. So today's Monday, so this already 2 days old, so I need another 2 days to wait before removing the formworks or stripping the formworks. By the way, today is Monday, 28th of September 2020, and the time now is 4:50 in the afternoon. So what I'm doing now is the small part of that channel here from this downpipe. It flows in here, and then it goes over there. So basically this part of stormwater drainage channel. So I'm preparing now, but it's raining, so I have to stop, or maybe I can continue, depends if rain will stop, because apparently there's a bit of sun and bright sky, but it's just a drizzle at the moment. Alright, my friends, so we'll see if I can continue doing the formworks on this water channel or wait till it stop. But it looks it stops already, so I have to continue. Alright, my friends, just giving you an update, and thank you for watching. So I almost finished closing this fence, so the only remaining here is this part here. So basically this is the first pouring, and this line here is the second stage pouring, which is linked to this one here, and then the third pouring is from here up to 30 mil or 20 mil from edge of timber paling, which is sloping here. So but there's like a beam, there's concrete protruding from this wall up to maybe 30 mil and sloping on that side as well. So the reason why I roughen the area, so that there would be some good banding between the old concrete and the new concrete they're gonna put in. And these nails I put in is just like to hold the concrete together. So when I do the second stage, I'm gonna put nails on that post as well. So yeah, so I just stop pouring this side here. I'll do it when I finish this boundary wall. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and we'll give you an update how far I can go for today. Alright, friends, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and thank you for subscribing, and God bless you. Please be safe. I hope everyone's COVID free, and see you soon, and bye for now. Full blooming of cherry blossoms. It indicates springtime.